Who builds the best truck? Ford Raptor or Toyota Hilux? The Raptor is a desert beast. Its 450 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and advanced suspension devour any terrain, built for pure thrill and extreme off-roading. But the Hilux is the undisputed survivor. This 2.8-liter diesel icon boasts unmatched toughness and legendary reliability. From war zones to work sites, it simply refuses to quit. For raw power and off-road supremacy, Raptor wins. For bulletproof endurance and dependability, the Hilux is legendary. Which legend would you choose?